In this video, I'll show you how to create numbered headings and subheadings in Microsoft Word using a multi-level list. First, go to the Home tab in Word. Then, in the Paragraph section, click on Multi-Level List and choose Define New Multi-Level List. Now, select Level 1. Click on More to expand the options, and on the right side, link this level to Heading 1. Then set the number style to 1, 2, 3, and make sure the format shows as 1. Next, select Level 2. Here you'll link it to Heading 2. In the Formatting section, delete the existing text, then choose the number style again as 1, 2, 3. Now, place your cursor before the number and insert Level 1 by clicking Include Level Number From, then select Level 1. This will create a proper subheading format like 1.1, 1.2. Click OK to apply the changes. Now, when you apply Heading 1 and Heading 2 styles, Word will automatically generate numbered headings and subheadings for you. This is a simple way to create a clean, structured document using automatic heading numbering in Microsoft Word.